The 2010 population of Asia was 4,120 million. In 2050, it is projected to be 5,231 million. Write the exponential growth function that describes the population of Asia in millions t years after 2010. So we begin with the formula A is equal to A sub 0 e raised to the kt. A sub 0 refers to the initial population, which is in the year 2010, so that's 4,121, and we will leave off the million when we substitute it in here. We're interested in when in 2050 the population is projected to be 5,231 substituted for A. And then, of course, that's 40 years after 2010, so T would be equal to 40. That'll allow us to solve for K. So we would have 5,231 is equal to 4,121 e raised to the k times 40. Divide each side by the 4,121, so 5,231 divided by 4,121 is equal to e raised to the k times 40. Now I'm going to take the natural log of each side because k is in the power and we want to be able to solve for k. So this would be the natural log of 5,231 divided by 4,121 is equal to the natural log of e, and I'm going to write it as 40k. The natural log of e raised to the 40k is simply equal to 40k. So I'd have the natural log of 5,231 divided by 4,121, and that's equal to 40k. Let's continue to solve for k on this sheet. We would divide both sides by 40. I'm going to write k first, so k would be equal to the natural log of 5,231 divided by 4,121, all of that divided by 40. Using a calculator to evaluate the right-hand side, we'll find that k is approximately equal to 0.006, that is 6 thousandths. We now substitute this value for k into the formula, and the model that we would have would be A is equal to 4,121 e to the 0.006 t.